May kanya-kanyang style ang MCs. For example, ako, my identity as an event host is the fab host. You must be professional and you must be sensitive if paano mo sasakyan ang audience in so many ways. Kasi iba-iba ang audience natin that will balance the whole event. But nakakasakay ng medyo mas kalog-kalog but not OA. Hindi mo dapat sasapawan yung starring ng event. Kung if it's a wedding, it must be the couple na sila talaga yung ima-magnify mo ang mag-illuminate. Basta pinaka-importante dyan, tandaan lang nating mga MCs, hindi tayo ang starring dito sa event na to.
Hi there mga ka-Itstorya! It's me, Chai Lozano of Chai Events and Productions. Today is a wonderful day. I'm so honored to be with one of the pioneers of the events, MC, hosts of the Region 8. And energetic siya. One of a kind. Lahat, energy, bubbliness, wittiness, nandyan sa kanya. Ano pa? And I will no longer give mahabang introduction, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Ketch Barontes! Di ba?
Oh my God,
energetic.
Oh my God. Na-pressure ako dun sa introduction mo Kasi
Siyempre.
sabi mo energetic at iniisip ko pala ngayon saan ko kaya huhugutin ang energy ko. And this is now late in the afternoon. I'm still so happy having with you guys. Sabi ko nakaka-pressure ang energy because I had a long day already since this morning, my job
witnessed
here.
you today.
At sabi ko, saan natin huhugutin ng energy? But still, kailangan natin maging energetic. And for sure kasi, when you say energy, talaga nga, dun yung vibes of,
That's
the
right.
passion and your happiness of what you're doing. Dun nagmamanifest. And so maybe, in line pa rin tayo sa pagiging energetic, maybe?
Yes, did you know? As Sir Ketch kasi, I've been watching him, since bata pa ata ako.
So, kumusta ako ngayon?
When we were talking earlier, sabi ko, I've seen him host one of our events sa bank. Tapos, when I entered the events industry, sabi ko, saan ba siya kumukuha ng energy? Legit, where is he getting all his energy? Ladies and gentlemen, mga ka-Eat Story, if you want to know saan ba kumukuha ng energy? To me, he's the energy guy. Number one, kahit siya, consel siya. Tapos, ano pa ba? MC, may events pa siya. I don't know, where do you get all this energy? The word is energy for today.
Hoy, nandyan si Sir Gary V.
Oo nga, di ba? Energy guy.
Siguro siya. Anyways, just kidding though. In my life in the industry, I've been struggling, I've been challenged, but hindi tumitigil yung passion
That's right.
Ito talaga yung gusto ko and, keep on talking, to be with the people, and learning from what I am doing every day. I think that's where energy comes in. And, syempre, sa araw-araw ba naman ang ginawa ng Diyos, the moment I wake up, the moment na idilat kong mga mata ko, first things first, kape. Yun ang nakapag-energy.
Shout out sa mga kape.
Okay, mga ka-istorya dyan, kasi mga mahilig sa kape. Okay, dahil sa kape, may kapiling tayong energy.
Pinili ka. Ow!
Wow. Anyway, so, kaya nga, Chay, in this industry, I remember way back in, let's say 2000, 5, 6, mga ganon. Although, later those years, talagang nandyan na tayo sa industriya ng paghahawak ng mikropono. Pero mas na-established siya sometime in 2006, 7, 8, onwards, mga ganyang panahon na yan. Kasi hindi ako nag-aaral on my second course, hindi dito sa Tacloban,
Alright.
but in Tagaytay City. So when I came back here in Tacloban, napansin ko na the events that time was booming. And luckily, I have friends na nasa industriya na, nag-uumpisa pa lang yung mga events management that time. So doon, dahil may nakakilala ko, so ayun, pinasok nila ako as MC. And I remember, Sir Tito Aure was the very first person who hired me for a wedding.
I have a question, Sir Ketch. How did you parang, yung MC talaga, or like, holding the microphone, dealing with a lot of people, or like, you'll be the energy of the event, but how did you parang, this is my...
Like, na-discover ko na this is my forte.
Parang, others will be photo, video, or something. Sa'yo, speaking, public speaking. Others, they have stage frights. Ikaw parang, this is mine.
Baka pinaglihi ako sa microphone.
So when you were still younger,
I remember elementary days, andyan na tayo lagi. You're always in the pedestal, you're always being called by your teacher, you're always the MC, you always be the one talking, and I am awarded as the noisiest pupil in the classroom.
Number
Ganun,
1.
tapos laging may fine na piso, kaya
ganun din sa inyo.
Yeah, may ganun. Buti na lang, magfa-fine ka ng piso pag if you're talkative, tapos may fine ka na piso, kung nagwawaray-waray ka.
Ay, mayaman ang school.
So, kailangan...
Or yung section.
So, kailangan English or Tagalog. Kahit maging talkative ka, walang fine.
Walang fine.
O, hindi...
So, English.
Hindi ako napagkakakitaan ng classroom ko kasi Taglish tayo that time. Elementary days pa lang. Siguro doon na nakita yung, kailangan bigyan ng kabuluhan ng pagiging madaldal natin. So, until such, I grow up, until high school years, ganun pa rin. Lagi akong tinatawag. Siguro dahil napapansin ka, ikaw rin naman talagang talkative dito, di halika, dito ka, magdadaldal ka dyan.
Dahil active ka.
Oo,
so since
yun.
elementary, high school, college.
Yes, ganun ang nangyayari. After college years, I entered seminary. And in the seminary, ganun pa rin parang walang pagbabago sa...
Ikaw pa rin doon.
Oo, so ganun pa rin. That's why in the seminary I've been always being chosen to host or to lead a program or to say something, anything, ganon. Basta pag may event. Actually, when I was in Tagaytay, I was already hosting sa mga mga benefactors namin, families na close sa seminary sa aming mga kaparian. Kasi may mga, foster families.
Okay.
Yun. Pag may magdidibo sa pamilya nila, may magkakasal or anniversary.
So, mga formal gatherings.
Yeah. So, parang ako na rin yung nagvo-volunteer sa kanila in one way or the other na parang yun yung pag-thank you ko sa kanila. So, doon na nakikita ko na pwede ako sa events.
Okay.
So, until such, nung umuwi na ako kasi nagpahinga muna tayo after my seminary days, after graduating theology. So, nagtrabaho muna tayo sa Pag-ibig Fund. So, when I was in Pag-ibig Fund, nasa marketing ako.
So, kailangan ng...
Yeah, marketing and enforcement. Ako yung taga-briefing sa mga, membership,
products,
the process, the services that we offer. So, ganun yung ginagawa pa rin. So, microphone na naman. So, dadaldal ka na naman. You're
Kasi
always in front to say something about what you are, ino-offer. Ganun. So hanggang sa pag may mga activities din sa Pag-ibig Fund like anniversaries, children's party, Christmas party, may nagbe-birthday na nagpapa-MC, dun na. Until may ikinasal doon, so nag-request na mag-MC ako.
So that was your first wedding. That was my first.
Oo. But para pumasok na talaga sa yung binabayaran ka na.
So yung mga...
yung may yung
so nasa Tagaytay, wala pa.
Wala pa because that's my way of thanking our benefactors sa mga pamilya, ganun. So, pumasok ako dito sa industriya in Region 8 na yung talagang hired ka na.
Hired na, with fee.
Oo, with fee na, kumbaga. So, parang kailangan maging mas professional na ang datingan natin. So, I remember, I mentioned it a while ago, it was Sir Tito Aure. I consider him as the godfather of the events here in the Region 8. Parang siya ang nagpakilala na when a family affair is, umuusbong dito, kailangan may event coordinator, may MC. That's where the suppliers come. Oh, parang ganon. So, until such na, nagtutuloy-tuloy na then I remember, hindi lang naman ako nun eh.
There were
There were
a
other
few.
MCs, few of us na,
Ilan
ano
kayo
na,
nun? Parang
Is it okay to
5?
mention them
Yeah, no
as well?
problem.
Yeah, like Sir Jasper, I remember him. May isa pa, si Sir Mark Santos. Yeah, wala na akong balita sa kanya ngayon. Anyway, of course, I must say, my immortal partner in hosting, Miss May Petilia.
alright, yeah.
So, parang kami pa lang yung nakikilala ko that time. Ay, baka meron, hindi ko lang siguro na-recognize. But yun yung mga parang nandyan na sila when I entered. Almost kasabayan kami ni Miss May. Kasi kami ni Miss May,
yung tandem kayo.
tandem kami in our Commission on Youth, mga programs namin. Hindi pa ako pumapasok sa seminary noon. It was time of my high school, college. So, di ba sabi ko nga, lagi lang even in my extracurricular activities kasi, dahil sa Commission on Youth, so exposed tayo sa
Busy.
simbahan, archdiocese, mga
That's right.
ganon-ganon. So, yun, kaya kami ni May naging partner sa hosting. So yun, kaya nagtuloy-tuloy. So the energy that you were asking then, I
Yes.
think na-develop na lang dyan as
All throughout the year.
All through the year. So milestone talaga siya.
Curious ako, way back nung days niyo nila Tito Aure, Ma'am May, yung rates ba ninyo were like, to you, okay na siya? Like, ano ba, pwede bang sabihin yung rates noon? Or like, kasi I don't know, if 500 or 1,000, parang ganun. Ano ba yung level ng
Mas
rating
mataas-taas
nun?
naman.
Okay. Sabi mo, when
Yeah.
we were talking before, sabi ko, magkano yung rate pag 1.5 walang sound?
Pero
It was just joking.
We were joking
Joking.
at that time. Kasi sabi ko, kasi di ba ang daming tumatawad, ang daming... You know, it's not about it's not about the
fee.
amount. It's not
Right.
about the tawad thing. Well, going back to the question muna, sabihin na lang natin, was it enough?
Well, yeah.
Was it enough? I can say yes. Kasi siguro kung hindi ako nakontento,
You
I'm
won't
not here
be,
anymore.
that's right. I
Oo.
won't be interviewing you.
Okay. So I can say it was already enough
Okay.
at that time. And by now, it's 2024. Syempre, increase.
Nagmamahala na po ang lahat.
Sila nagmamahalan. Ako na lang yung hindi minamahal.
Ikaw ang nagmamahal kasi puno ka ng energy.
Anyway, so that time I can say it was already sufficient. It was enough.
That's right.
Hindi ako nagutom. Sabihin na lang
Oo,
natin.
andito ka pa naman.
Oo, buhay. Energetic pa rin. So, yung fee that time, variable.
Okay.
Variable.
Would depend on what kind of event you're hosting, like corporate, birthday, or...
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Medyo naiiba lang talaga pagdating sa corporate events. Kasi
okay.
when it comes to birthdays, weddings, almost the same.
Celebrations,
Yeah,
right.
almost the same. Pero pag corporate, iba. Especially pageants. Iba-iba ang datingan sa pageants. Kasi
Iba
longer
ang
exposure. Yeah, ibang vibe ang kailangan mo doon. Ibang vibe ang kailangan mo sa birthday, sa wedding. Ibang vibe ang kailangan sa corporate. Especially if it is a launching of product.
That's right.
So iba naman.
Okay. I have this in mind because I have also been emceeing, but I kind of stopped, charing. So kind of stopped, but I am always, and to me, all hosts in this industry, I look up to you and
Wow.
to all of you.
Kaka-pressure.
Because to me,
Uy, I remember.
nag-MC nga ako, di ba?
Yes, and you also hosted our
I
ABCs in
interviewed
hosting.
all
It was
of-
also a talk show
Yeah.
with Miss Jillian,
Yeah. Alphon.
Mr. Alphon, and me. Tatlo
Yeah.
kami na in-interview
So,
mo. It was a
to me,
talk
it was
show.
an honor. I was a newbie and all of these are the...
Uy, magagaling sila, ha?
Yes, bow down.
Magagaling yung
I
mga kasama ko.
I have a question in my mind. Did you have this training in MCing or hosting or gift na talaga siya? Innate na ba talaga pag gising mo? Eto na po!
Paglabas ko,
May microphone na po ako.
paglabas ko sa tiyan ng nanay ko, ladies and gentlemen,
Eto na po kami!
mga kapatid, kapusad, kapamilya,
Hey, hooray!
I think it went through a process within me na hindi ko namamalayan
Alright.
that I am actually being trained of the experiences.
By experience.
Yes. But, nung nandun na ako na naging aware ako na, uy, I have a potential pala of public speaking.
That's right.
So, nag-focus ako, part of my life and my milestone in my journey, isa yan sa mga inaatendihan kong mga seminars.
That's right.
And I even volunteer minsan for me to, mas ma-develop
Gain
pa, ma-train
knowledge.
talaga ako. Now na parang yun, na-establish tayo in the event industry, yun, nagre-register na talaga ako sa mga public speaking.
Seminars.
Kasi for me, this kind of hosting skills is an everyday learning process.
That's right.
You will never stop learning from everyday experience. Every time I hold a microphone and every time I'm into an event, it's always a different experience.
That's right.
So it's always learning and learning and learning.
Since you've been handling all walks of life and different kinds of events, so did you have this experience na parang somebody, ano man tawag doon, called out?
Yes, I have an experience na may
talaga?
nag-complain sa akin.
May nagko-complain pa pala sa'yo.
Siyempre naman. May nag-complain. But ito yung nangyari. It was a wedding. And ang finid sa aking information, kasi siyempre dependent ako sa what is being fed to me
That's right.
from the event coordinator or kung may floor director. I will be dependent on what is being informed or fed to me. So, nung binigay sa akin yung pangalan na magbibigay ng message,
Okay.
so tinawag ko yung kapatid,
Also different name.
kapatid ng, hindi siya masyadong, yung what do you call that? The direct kapatid of the bride.
Okay, kuya.
Half something.
Okay.
I didn't know na may hidwaan, may mga ganun. Siyempre, wala naman tayong pakialam doon, di ba? And,
There was parang walang ano,
oo, di ba?
heads up.
Yes. So, nung tinawag ko siya, nagalit siya.
Oh.
Hindi. Parang nagano siya when I called her. The one that is going to have a message is, of course, one of the closest of the bride. And syempre, baka nasa kanya yung mga revelation. Kaya pakinggan na natin siya, mga kapuso, kapatid, kapamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, the sister of the bride,
Mr.
Miss, blah, 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 blah. Tapos, syempre, ang taas ng energy mo nun, di ba? Tapos kagano'n, palakpakan. Tapos, pag ganun ko, yes, ma'am, kayo po. Yep, blah, 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 blah. Parang gumano, parang nagmanifest sa kanyang gestures na parang
I don't
pero yung pag-ayaw niya, sarcastic. Alam mo yung parang yung table napkin, ginanon, parang, oh my God, something is not right.
That's right.
So, kasi nakafocus na yung camera lahat doon,
kanya.
linapitan ko. Oo, linapitan ko. Tapos nung linapitan, parang umakbay ako sa hindi naman sa akbay, yung parang nag-tap ka lang. Sabi niya, oh yes ma'am, would you like to say something? Or, would you like to say something just right here? Kasi okay lang kasi anyways, mapapakinggan naman tayo, ganyan. Binigay ko sa kanya yung microphone. Nung binigay ko sa kanya yung microphone, ginanon niya.
So may dugs.
Oo, ginanon niya. So, nung ginanon niya, so alam ko na, part of our skill is, to be sensitive.
Yes.
So, nalaman ko na ayaw niya. So, gano'n niya. Anyways, baka may iba na pwede mga ganun-ganon. So, ganun yung situation. Okay, that was the situation. So,
Fast forward.
we ended up the program, and then talaga nilapitan niya ako. Sabi niya, I didn't like the way you host. Namimilit ka eh. Sabi ko, pero tapos yung program, ha?
Alright.
Sabi ko, I'm sorry po. Talagang nag-apologize tayo. I'm sorry po. Pero yung po kasi yung binigay sa aking information, kayo po yung nakasulat dito.
Alright.
Ganyan. So, had
I known.
someone told me na hindi po kayo ang magme-message, hindi po sana ikaw ang matatawag ko. I'm sorry for that. Ganito, ganyan. Anyways, na-patch up naman po natin. Somebody, ganyan. Still, kailangan, kung sino ang kailangan na mag-ano dyan, so syempre, nagdiwala pa kaming galit siya. It was not a complaint of the way I hosted, but it was a complaint of the information that was given to me. So, pero yung pagkasabi niya, I didn't like the way you host.
That's right.
Diba? Pero kung hihimayin ko, naiintindihan ko na,
Where's she coming from?
yes, ayaw lang pala niya talagang magsalita.
Okay.
So, isa yon na how I handle the situation.
So were you offended by the
That
comment?
situation is.
Yeah.
I can say yes. Offended because may parang merong hindi naging masaya.
Yes, that's
And
right.
our goal is
To please.
dapat lahat sila ay talagang uuwing nakangiti.
That's right.
But we can please everybody. Meron at meron pa rin talaga. And to add more with the question, if I was hurt, I can also answer it by saying yes. Kasi, alam mo, anong sabi ni Bea? Ba't parang kasalanan ko?
Parang ako.
Bakit ako? Kasi yun lang naman talagang binigay sa akin eh.
Ginawa ko lang naman trabaho ko.
Parang ginawa ko lang trabaho ko. Bakit ako? Yung ganun.
May kanta pa nga si Adele, Never Enough.
I was never enough. So,
That's
ganon.
right.
Yes, I was offended. I was hurt. But you know what, Shai? Sabi ko nga kanina, you kept on learning every day. So, lahat ng klase ng event, meron at meron talaga tayo laging matututunan. So, natutunan ko doon is to, professionally accept the unpleasant reaction
Okay.
and learn from it. Ano nang pwede kong gawin. So, maybe i-double check ko yung information na
Next
binigay sa akin.
time.
Kasi I was too dependent dun sa binigay sa akin. So, kaya from then on, dino-double check ko na. And sometimes kasi, di ba, nagiging marites tayo minsan. Kasi,
Sino to?
sino to?
Ano to?
Baka ma-offend. Baka,
Pwede ba siya?
actually, okay siyang mag-speech, mag-message, kaso may hidwaan something pala.
Should have known. May nag-gets.
Oo, so yun. Kailangan minsan i-activate mode on yung mga pagiging marites.
Ang mga senses natin.
Oo.
That's right. Not
Sensitivity as
That's
well,
right.
I learned from that experience.
so, aside from that complaint thing, ano pa yung parang pinaka
like, I was challenged.
challenged in the event?
Yes, I remember one thing, Chai. This is unforgettable for me. Because I was hired to host an event in Cebu. I remember this is in Plantation Bay.
Plenty.
Ang na-hire doon na event suppliers from Tacloban was me, the host, and the photo video and the coordinator. So from Tacloban yung na-hire
Lahat.
nila. And the venue was the wedding was in Cebu, in Plantation Bay. And that moment, that was the moment when my brother and father died.
Oh.
Yeah. This was very tragic. Well, huwag na natin ikwento yung pagkamatay ng dalawa kung mahal sa buhay.
Like all together at the same time?
No, nagpang-abot lang. It was not an accident. It's nagpang-abot lang
Same
ng
moment.
araw na, interval, I mean, na nagkaroon kami ng dalawang coffin dito. But at that time na inaasikaso yung, alam mo na, yung mga
The event.
those things of having a death in the family. Nag-post na ako na can someone else replace me? I contacted all the other hosts as well. Unfortunately, lahat fully booked. So I have no choice but to go to Cebu, and I don't want to isa ito siguro sa mga natutunan ko rin, that I don't want also to bother the client of telling them my problem.
That's right.
Diba?
Kasi you have your own.
Kasi big event to eh. And my problem was so very negative, at ang event nila is so high, happy, very energetic.
Extremes.
So both extreme emotion na hindi ko pwedeng ipadama sa kanila ang nararamdaman ko ngayon.
That's right.
But still, I went to Cebu. Well, tuloy-tuloy yung kasal. And on the reception, nandun na kami, and iba yung event doon eh, kasi may floor director sila, may show, may director
May
na
production.
kompleto yung production team nila. So, while hindi ako salang kasi segment ganun yung style nila. Hindi ako nakasalang, nasa likod lang ako. Nasa backstage, talagang nabumukmok nga. I was trying to manage my emotion, but then once I am already in front, and I am
The
with that
stage.
when the lights on nasa akin and the microphone is with me, kailangan walang magma-manifest na kalungkutan.
The show must go
Yes,
on.
that was the most challenging part of being an MC. the experience that I won't forget, sa awa ng Diyos na iraos din siya na
Without them knowing.
Yes, walang may alam na kahit sino. Ang may alam lang yung coordinator. Pero sinabi ko na wag nang ipaalam. At naintindihan niya na kahit siya, ayaw din niyang sabihin.
That's right.
And after the event, yun, nung pauwi na kami the following day, doon na namin sinabi sa client. So, that was the most challenging kasi hindi rin siya ganun talaga kadaling dalhin.
You were torn between like
Yeah,
giving up the event and focusing on...
And the most challenging part there was the kind of emotion. Kasi tayo mga MC, we have to set the
mood.
The mood and the mode.
Yes.
Yeah, the mood and the mode. The energy that you're going to, give it to the audience will mararamdaman nila yan eh.
That's right.
Kaya kailangan hindi yun mag-manifest sa akin. That was the most challenging part of being an MC. How did I manage that? I actually don't know.
Grace.
Parang nangyari na lang.
It happened. I need to do this.
Basta pag the moment I stepped on the stage, when I already feel the heat of the light, when I am already holding the microphone, yun na. Salang agad. And then, pagbalik ko naman sa stage, backstage, bumabalik din yung energy. Siguro it's a power. There's a power within you that would be easy for you to just, kung parang may switch button yata, yan sa ano natin eh. I don't know.
That's right.
Basta pati ako nagtataka eh, kung paano nangyayari yan. But of course, in the course of your experiences, training as well, siguro, nangyayari na lang. Talaga sabi ko parang may switch on na. On and off na lang siguro yan. Or which kind of energy are you going to put it on? I don't know. But that was very tragic. At the same time, para sa akin yung parang, ay, salamat na iraos din. Natapos din. Sa lahat ng mga event na kinakabahan ako, sa lahat ng mga event na parang napapagod ako, ito yung pinakakaiba sa lahat. And thinking that Cebu yun.
That's right.
Oo,
and then you were...
Kaya yun, sabi ko nga, Chay, iba't ibang klaseng
event.
Experiences, iba't ibang klase ding matututunan natin.
That's right.
That's it.
What is your advice to those clients who would like to get their cousins, relatives as their event host or instead of hiring
a professional
host?
Okay. Good question, Chay, because nowadays, may mga clients talaga tayo that they would prefer
Yes, that's
to have their host be best friend nila, BFF, di ba? Cousin, things like that. It's for me, it's okay. Actually, mas advantage sa kanila kasi kilala na nila yung MC. And especially if it's an intimate celebration, like for 50 packs, family lang talaga yung naandyan, that would fit perfectly para sa akin. Hiring an event host is a different story. A professional host, katulad ng mga nasa event industry tayo. It's also good. That's why we need meetings. We need to know more about our clients.
Briefing.
Because that's where we get the rapport. That's where we develop relationship, even if it's just for a short period of time. But having their cousins, best friends, or friend of a friend para mag-MC sa kanilang event, it's okay. They can do that kasi it's their choice, it's their occasion, it's their wedding. Wag natin silang bigyan ng limitation sa kanilang gusto. If they would prefer to have their cousin, then let them be. If they would prefer to hire an a professional event host, let it be.
Okay.
But for them to advise the couple, for example, ako, hihingan ako ng advice, Sir Ketch, kailangan pa ba naming mag-hire ng host? Kung ako talaga tatanungin, sasabihin ko, syempre, i-hire mo ako.
That's right. Ako. I'm ready. I'm available.
Hindi, it was just a joke.
Yeah.
Ang sasabihin ko sa kanila talaga is,
It's your preference.
do you have someone in your family na, may potential or wannabe.
Who have been
Or
MCing.
kahit hindi naman siya palag MC, pero alam mo yung siya yung makwela sa inyo.
That's right.
If you have that, especially if this
Life
is
of
an
the
intimate.
party.
Yeah, especially if this is just family gathering, mas maganda. I
That's
would
right.
strongly suggest that.
That's a good point. No? Don't limit the client.
Yes. Event nila yun eh.
Oo nga.
O kaya nga, event nila yun. Hindi ko event yan.
Hindi natin event yan. That's right.
So that's why,
that's a
sila
good
dapat
point.
ang uusbong. Sila dapat ang magiging starring
Correct,
sa
correct.
event, hindi yung MC.
The client. I have this, it's been, ilang days na to nasa brain ko.
Wow.
Brain days. I've been watching, gusto ko kasi talagang bumalik to MCing, but I think para sa inyo na yun eh.
Kung galing ka kaya.
Wow, thank you. I've been watching this over the top, trending performances of
The
events
MCs.
host. What's your take on it?
That's okay kasi may kanya-kanyang style ang MCs. We have different kind of pagpapakilala.
It's your identity.
Yes, exactly.
It's my,
For example,
tawag doon?
my identity as an event host is the Fab Host.
Okay.
So a Fab Host is para sa akin, sabi ko nga inside and out. But at the same time, pag nakita ka as a Fab Host, pag nakita ka sa stage, you must be professional.
Okay.
And you must be sensitive if kailangan paano mo sasakyan ang audience in so many ways.
That's right.
Kasi iba-iba ang audience natin that will balance the whole event.
Should be fitting, no?
Oo,
To your
oo.
audiences.
The Fab Host is just merely fab, elite, and fine, refined.
Class, mga ganun.
Oo, classy. But nakakasakay ng medyo mas kalog-kalog din.
Right.
But not OA.
Okay.
Yun naman.
So it's parang refined.
Oo, when I say not OA, yung parang hindi mo dapat sasapawan yung starring ng event.
During the day.
Oo, kasi if it's a birthday, the celebrant must be the one na sila talaga yung
Baka naka-red
maiaangat
ka
mo.
din eh.
Ha?
Naka-red ka din.
Oh, that happened to me.
Oo
By the
nga,
way
no?
yeah. Halimbawa, kung if it's a wedding, it must be the couple. It must be the couple.
Parang
Na
magnified.
sila talaga yung ima-magnify mo, ang mag-illuminate, ganun.
That's right.
If it's a corporate event, sabi ko nga, di ba, corporate event, more of tuloy-tuloy lang yan Parang facilitator ka sa pagtataw. Parang nagro-roll call lang basically sa susunod-sunod sa sequence. If it's a pageant naman, it's a different thing kasi kailangan attentive ka. Although lahat ng event dapat attentive ka, but more of the pageant, kita mo ang dami nagkakamali
That's
lagi,
right.
di ba?
Iba yung nababasa pala.
Oo, gano'n. So, iba-ibang styles, iba-ibang atake ang dapat mong gagawin dyan. Basta pinaka-importante dyan, tandaan lang nating mga MCs, hindi tayo ang starring dito
Of the night.
sa event na to. So,
Gusto ko pa yung
secondary tayo. Supporting best actor lang tayo.
Correct.
That's why meeting is important.
Paulit-ulit na meeting
Oo.
circuit.
In the meeting, kaya nagkakaroon ng rapport
That's right.
between the MC and the
Client.
client. At napaka-vital role yun. Kasi
Building
that's
rapport.
where you get to know more your clients. So that's why, pag sa event na, parang mas may closeness na sa isa't
Yeah,
isa.
parang
Mas nagiging comfortable na.
friends ba sila?
Di ba?
Akala ng guest,
Na matagal na.
friends ba sila? Ba't
Oo.
alam niya si Ninong, Tito,
Oo.
Auntie, Lolo, Lola?
One thing also that I have learned is, of course, the pronunciation of the names.
Oh, that's
Kasi
right.
medyo iba-iba, syempre, kahit may spelling, may silent G dyan, may
Oo.
silent T pala yan. And most especially, syempre sa weddings, birthdays, pag may mga special guest, ninong-ninangs especially, yung may mga rango, mga title holder,
That's right.
kailangan yun kasi, of course, it's a connection of their personality. And may mga challenging na, may mga challenging na ranks. Especially yung mga nasa army, nasa bureau na industry.
The government.
Oo,
no?
kasi meron tayo doon na hindi tayo familiar. aside of those commons like attorney, doctors, things like that, madali sa atin yon kasi architect, it's very common. Pero yung mga sa kanila, yung mga brigadier general,
That's right.
kasi mga acronym lang
Lieutenant,
yon.
colonel.
So, hindi, kahit ako, may mga
Mga
bagay,
PB Gen pa nga.
oo, may mga bagay-bagay doon na kailangan ano ko talaga itanong, ano to, ano
That's
nga
right.
ulit ito kasi, in hosting, you don't just just
Assume.
LT call.
Yeah, that's
You don't say that. You say lieutenant colonel. So yun ang kailangan kasi that's the proper way. So kaya meeting ng meeting, yun.
Which brings me back, I don't know where, I heard yung MSGR.
Monsignor.
Alam mo yun. So may person, messenger. Sabi namin,
Monsignor.
how? Paano? So, for MCs, we have to, sa meetings talaga, we have to, ang tawag
Get
ito?
into the details.
But parang ang meticulous.
Mhm.
But you have to.
Kailangan.
It's part of your being, fab, and energetic. I heard, you're the fab host
Of the region, yeah.
of the region. So, that's being, parang part yun siya ng package mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Example, Chai, happy host. So, parang, bakit siya happy?
You know
So,
what?
Catch,
I was
fab
labeled
host.
as the fab host kasi the real story of that
Ay, may
when
story.
I was asked to endorse the Flawless that time. Parang hindi
right.
naman ako flawless, nakakahiya.
Brand ambassador.
Oh, yeah. Parang gano'n. Parang hindi mo ako confident na flawless. Natawa lang ako. But anyways, I was called to be a brand ambassador of the Flawless.
Alright.
Meron tayo niyan dati dito. So, yun. Meron silang Flawless Access to Beauty. FAB.
Alright.
FAB. So, yun yung meaning ng FAB. Since I am a host here in the region, so probably they're thinking that I can influence also others and we're always in front of a crowd. The deal, of course, syempre kailangan natin i-advertise yung FAB,
That's
yung
right.
Flawless. So
Okay.
yung Flawless Beauty Clinic. So the meaning of FAB is Flawless Access to Beauty.
Flawless access to
Oo.
beauty.
So yun ang naging label ko at sila ang nagsabi sa akin, you are now the fab host.
Oh.
Wow. Parang okay tayo dyan,
Parang
Kaya,
ano na.
lagi na tayo may
May
hashtag
Fab
FabHost Catch. But you know what? Using that hashtag along the way, nasabi ko, ang pagiging fab, hindi lang naman talaga siya panlabas.
Outward, that's right.
You have to be fabulous as well. Kasi mas
Inside.
madali ang fab sa pagiging fabulous we know that fabulous, it's more of the physical attributes. But napagtanto ko along the way in this experience in the event industry, kailangan the beauty must come from, within. Parang beauty pageant pa ba to?
Kasi fab.
Inside and out for
That's
world
it.
peace.
Oo.
I believe in that na kailangan yung pagiging fabulous in hosting is not just about the physical attributes, but it encompasses everything, the whole of you, the whole package of being
That's it.
an MC, from the energy, kasi pwedeng energetic ka pero wala ka namang sense.
Could be.
Pwede namang may deep sense ka pero naging boring ka naman.
That's right.
Okay naman yung mga pinagsasabi mo,
Pero
pangit pakinggan kasi wrong pronunciation, hindi maganda yung intonation,
clanging cymbal ka na.
diction. Oo. Meron namang magaganda ang mga pronunciation, intonation, and things like that. Pero wrong grammar naman. Pero tama pakinggan. Di ba deceiving?
That's right.
So kailangan
Balance.
everything. Alam mo, in hosting, para sa akin, just be comfortable of the medium of language that you're going to use.
Okay.
Rather than you won't be understood.
That's right.
Mas maganda yung ma-deliver mo ng maayos, simple, mas naiintindihan, hindi mo kailangan ng mga flowery words, mga minsan nga, halimbawa, hosting.
That's
Pag
right.
sinabi ko na, well, you know what, Chai, you look so beautiful and if I may form this into a question that what makes you beautiful, oh, don't worry, that's a rhetorical question. So, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin yon. Hindi mo na kailangan, alam mo yun,
Go straight to the point.
yes, minsan nagiging ganun yung mga MCs. Pero naiintindihan kasi duman din ako sa ganyan.
Alright.
Yeah, duman din ako sa ganyan. Minsan, paikot-ikot ka na lang eh. So, maybe that is, part of the learning process.
I'll be a newbie, what do you call this, MC.
Host, yeah.
You'd give me advice. What would you like, try do this for your learning or
Alam mo, Chay, yung mga sinasabi natin kanina, pronunciation, intonation, diction,
that's right.
uh,
Those are technicals. no?
communication skills, those are very technicals. Mas lumalabas yon
Later on.
later on along the way
Okay.
if you keep on training yourself.
So practice.
Practice. Cliche to say, practice makes you perfect. Ako ginagawa ko, I keep on reading novels, keep on reading books, kahit ano. Basahin ang basahin. Read it aloud, read it
Okay.
silently. Daming paraan. So yun. Bakit? Sa libro, ang daming words na pwedeng, when you keep on reading, sometimes
New
nawawiden
words.
yung
That's
ano mo doon, yung comprehension. Tapos yung words na nakikita natin, nababasa natin, parang sometimes kung bago or kung hindi,
Thesaurus.
sometimes napapag-google ka, di ba? So keep on reading. And in any forms of books, may it be inspirational book, may it be something about public speaking or communication skills, may it be a novel, may it be a romance.
Fiction.
Pero mas maganda pag English. Ako, I
English.
can say it would be a plus bonus
That's right.
kung English ang babasahin natin. Kasi syempre kung Tagalog naman, okay lang. Para naman may mga matalayhagang mga
Subalit, data what?
Pero kung comprehension ng pag-uusapan natin, mas maganda kung mag-i-English talaga tayo.
That's right.
And keep on searching sa mga trainings ng kahit online.
Online.
We can join sa mga ino-offer nila. Mas maganda kung face-to-face kasi though nag-i-invest tayo dyan. Kasi kung gusto mo naman talagang maging rising host, you really need to invest. So kaya magpaparegister ka, gastos ka, lilipad ka, pupunta ka doon sa Manila, Cebu or
That's right.
bibihira lang dito sa Tacloban sa atin ang nag-o-offer ng ganyan. I remember we had that. Diba?
Yes.
The ABCs in hosting. Oh, by the way, I really want to do it again.
Sure.
Let's do it again. Anyways, so those are, kung sabi mo, what will be the priority? Keep on reading. Yun ang sasabihin ko.
Ganda? Ganda lang
Bubog
ba?
ng katawan. Ako sasabihin ko, keep on reading kasi doon mag-uumpisa lahat eh.
Okay.
Oo. Mas mauungkat mo.
How do you,
Kasi
yung
on reading,
confidence mo
Yeah.
din?
Kasi sa pagbabasa, doon mo mas malalaman kung gugustuhin ko pa ba to o hindi na.
Alright.
Kasi kahit sa pagbasa, tamad ka na eh.
Ayoko na.
Oo.
First page pa lang. Notice.
So doon. Well, you mentioned confidence.
Yeah. How do you, parang, like ako kanina, paano ba to? Like, my first experience in hosting, parang lahat ng prayers ginawa ko. Tapos, ladies and
Lahat ng
gentlemen, dadasal lahat ng elements. Yun. Tapos pag,
Chay,
punta ka na
may
sa
mga
stage.
kaba pa rin akong
Talaga?
nararamdaman. Kahit ngayon.
Talaga?
Yeah. Pageants, mga big events, may
How do you,
may kabog talaga.
alright.
Na
How do you
nararamdaman.
shushu the,
How do I shushu?
yeah, oh my gosh, jitters.
Unang sabak, unang exposure.
Dapat boom.
Dapat boom
Boom
talaga.
agad.
Kasi dun ko
Dun
siya
na.
nalalabas. And
Alright.
then, patapos na yan,
Dediretso na.
na siya.
That's right.
So yun, ang kaba laging nasa umpisa lang.
Diba? What if magkamali? What if, ganun.
Isa yan.
What if
in
pag
the
hello
middle.
ko, oo.
Isa yan in the middle na ma-block out ka, mawalan ka ng
Masasabi.
ng words. Live kaya tayo
That's right.
most of the time. Unlike the other TV hosts na
They have
pwedeng
cuts.
ma-edit,
That's
pwedeng
right.
ganon. Pero pag live, wala, dire-diretso. But live must go on.
How do you did you encounter na nag-brown out, nawalan ng
Technical.
brown out,
Mhm.
nawalan ng battery yung microphone mo, or like, lahat, like, ito nangyayari sa hosting. Nawalan ng battery yung microphone,
Mhm.
brown out, nagla-line na lahat ng guests to take a photo and uuwi na. How do you deal with it at the very moment? Parang
So
magpapakawa.
very, very technical. Yeah.
Yeah, very technical,
Very
but it
technical.
happens.
Yeah. Actually, mas maganda kung brown out.
Okay.
Kasi lahat tayo makaka-experience.
That's right.
So lahat may intindihan.
Okay. Mag-candle lighting
And I
ka.
don't have to explain.
That's right.
Oo, I don't have to explain kasi nag-brown out eh.
Okay.
Lahat naman natin naramdaman, di ba? So okay lang. Pagbalik, we're back. Ganyan, ganun. Eh, balik mo lang ulit ang energy. Kung nawala naman ng battery ang ang microphone.
Microphone.
Well, dati nangyayari.
Mhm.
Dati nangyayari. Kasi minsan isa lang ang microphone or dalawa lang. So nangyayari. If I run out of the battery of the microphone, well, nagsasign ako sa
Signal.
technical na wala na. At yun, wala akong magagawa.
That's it.
Wala akong magagawa. So papalitan. Pag pinalitan, then ibalik mo lang ulit ang energy. You don't have to explain. Dati nag-explain ako pero sa
Yung mga
ngayon-
rational.
Oo, kailan. Hindi na. Wala
Okay.
namang nasaktan. Para sa akin, kung ganyan ang situation wala naman sigurong nasaktan, wala naman sigurong nandiri dahil namatay yung
Yung microphone.
That's how I see it now.
Okay.
Sa ngayon. Dati, worried ako dyan. Anxious
big deal.
ako. Yeah, anxious ako dati niyan. Ano ba naman kayo? Bakit di kayo na ganyan-ganyan? Tapos pagbalik ko, I have to explain it to the audience. Kasi na-realize ko, sa ngayon, they don't care after
That's right.
all. And it's not their responsibility.
Na
You
nawala.
don't have to explain it anymore.
Okay.
Iba, just do your role. Just do your part. So, ibinalik ko lang yung energy ko. Kasi para tuloy, hindi ma-remind yung audience
Na nawalan ka
na
ng-
nawalan ng battery. But hindi na nangyayari ngayon, Miss Shai, kasi syempre na-elevate na yung mga technical
Right.
persons natin na kasama natin sa event suppliers. They have many microphones ready for you. So, ganun na.
Advanced na.
At naka-ready na yan.
That's right.
Pawala pa lang.
Alam na nila.
At saka di ba, medyo mga high-tech na rin ngayon eh. Nakikita mo na, 1 bar,
Meron
2,
ng,
oo.
that's right.
May pag nagbi-blink-blink na, papalitan na. Kaya hindi na masyado nangyayari.
Which reminds me, nilalagay dito yung mga adlibs natin. 'Di ba? So, may mga adlib kasi na adlib, good adlibs. Yung iba parang, hindi na siya adlib. Paragraph na yung nangyayari. So, ano yung mga technique dyan sa mga adlibs?
Okay. I
Parang-
always listen to the one speaking. For example, tinawag mo yung speaker, speech number 1, speech number 2. I always listen to them. Kasi gagamitan ko sila ng adlibs. Doon ako huhugot para
Where they
ma-segue ko
ended.
doon sa susunod. One
Right.
sentence will do.
That's right.
Huwag na yung sabi mo nga paragraph or one
Parang
page.
bukas pa siya matatapos.
Yun ang magandang adlib. Doon ka kumuha sa unang nagsalita before you.
That's a
If,
technique.
for example, ninong siya and nagsalita siya tungkol sa, usually advices man yan,
About love.
about love,
Sacrifice.
about yung how they deal with it within each other, the husband and the wife. Minsan, mas maganda kung yung adlib is joke. Pero wag naman yung below the belt na joke. Yung ano lang, halimbawa, nagjo-joke tayo, like, tama yung sinabi ni Ninong kanina that always surrender to your misis. Kaya naman, ang ATM laging na kay misis. Because the real
surrender.
meaning of ATM, automatic to misis.
Ay, ang bright.
Alright, for the next one to say
So
is
easy.
a message or advice. Parang at least nag-adlib ka lang sa kanya.
And it's connected,
Connected.
pa sa message.
Oo.
That's right.
Ganun lang. But that's basic for weddings. Birthdays, maybe. Iba pag nasa corporate ka.
That's
Sa
right.
corporate, you don't have to. Kasi sa corporate,
May program.
at saka, basically, ang MC, nag-ano ka lang naman, you're just a facilitator.
Okay.
You're just a facilitator of the event, set the mood of the
Activity.
the whole ambience. Ganun lang naman yung primary role nating
Na-
mga MCs.
That's right.
So, yun, hindi mo kailangan magpakitang gilas masyado doon. Kasi it's not your event.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. Parang I just get this realization na MCs or event hosts, hindi siya basta-basta na profession and hindi siya basta-basta na passion or like some would just say MC lang yan eh. 'Di ba? They'd go, MC lang yan. To me, hearing you and with your 20 years in the industry, parang hindi basta-basta ang trabaho po namin. And I'd say hindi siya basta-basta. I'd summarize it like di basta-basta, takes practice and need to know your audiences, need to know yourself as well. Yung parang may mirror ka everyday, I love you. Diba? You do that. So, yun, diba? Parang, it takes years for you to be a seasoned, ginisa mix. Magic sarap. Diba? Kasi parang, ikaw din mismo, to build yourself, like Fab or Happy Host, to have your identity. Parang you also build yourself din, diba? Ako siguro, I'd go to you and to other. Which brings me, may favorite kang yung parang nilulook up to mo. Like, ako si Oprah. Oprah?
Wow.
Ako na lang
Yung
mag-Oprah.
favorite MC. My favorite host.
Yeah, or like,
Yeah, it's no other than Mr. Ryan Seacrest. I
American.
love, yeah.
Magkatakloban na.
Anong level ba?
Tayo lang. Oprah. Diba? So we have this.
I love his style. I love his, yung atake niya sa American Idol, sa iba pa
Sa
pang
other
mga events na mga programs na may identity na siya eh.
Yeah, that's right.
Na hindi siya OA, hindi naman siya masyadong dry.
That's right.
Hindi rin siya naman boring, pero hindi naman siya masyadong pasabog na parang gulat na gulat ka talaga. Balanse lahat eh. Isa yan sa mga kailangan ma-train pa more.
On that.
Yeah, na
Parang,
ganun sa kanya. Isa yan. Kung sa national level, gusto ko si Luis Manzano sa kanyang kakulitan.
Diba?
Oo.
Parang natural.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Oo. Natural yung kakulitan.
That's right.
So, yun.
Kasi to me, I'm getting you need to have your identity. Yun. And then, be original. Di ba? Original Fab.
Kailangan din, may tayo.
Robbie
ikaw. Domingo pala.
Robbie.
Yeah, oo. Isa, magkaiba sila ni Luis. Kakulitan kay Luis, Robbie is more of pang-professional na. Professional din naman si Luis. I mean, formal.
Formal ang kanyang atake.
Yes. So, yun.
Hey, wait. I remember, Sir Ketch, dahil nga inumpisan natin ang energy mo kanina and your vibe and you get all these things, you're not also doing MCs.
Oh, yeah.
You're also doing events and trainings and company anong tawag to dito? Trainings and team buildings. Yun nga. Anong ginagawa sa mga ganitong ibang level din to? Kasi iba din
ginagawa ni Ketchy Barantes?
Ano bang ginagawa ni Ketchy? Maraming energy.
Alright. Nakatulong sa akin ang pag-AMC to develop more of my personality and to be where I am now.
Alright.
And I'm very, very much thankful of this gift. Thank you so much for having me this, Lord. Kasi it brought me of what I have to be. First is, dahil sa public speaking, sa communication skills natin, although sabi ko nga, I kept on learning even till now. I was brought to this profession of being a government official here in our municipality of Alang-Alang. I was elected as a councilor of the municipality. Isa yan siguro sa yung public speaking na
led me here that I will be able to communicate well to the constituents na mas madaling maiintindihan, of course with passion and love, the public service that I am now. So isa yan. And that kind of energy in hosting You bring it
nadadala ko
there.
rin sa aking trabaho ngayon
Mhm.
as a public servant na parang hindi tayo pwedeng mapagod.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
ang daming nakaabang, ang daming naghihintay. So yun, ang kailangan natin na i-maintain. Kailangan i-maintain natin yan. The energy that I learned along the way, isa yan sa bumubuhay sa atin ngayon. So, tungkol naman sa yung
Team building.
yung sa mga team building,
Events.
sa catch events management, of course, that's part of the business. That team building na tutunan ko naman yan kasi di ba nakwento ko na I came from a seminary as well
Okay.
when I had my module, the thesis and things like that. So may mga ginagawa tayong personality development module, anything that the company needs, anything that the HR needs, meron tayong module dyan. So,
Okay.
yun, isa yan sa extra
Services.
service na ginagawa ng catch event management. We do
Maraming
team
energy.
building to corporate companies, LGUs as well. Marami naman ang nag-hire sa atin.
Yes.
So,
I see
isa
it.
yan sa mga nagiging passion ko kasi aside from hosting, sa team building, that's where I am able to share the wisdom, the knowledge, of becoming a better person. Kasi, kung sabi mo, ang pagiging MC hindi lang din basta-basta.
Hindi talaga.
May mga tayo dyan, kailangan na, kailangan...
Formation.
Oo, may formation tayo dyan. In team building, may formation
Yes.
dyan. Ang team building kasi, it's a process.
That's right.
It's a process. May paghuhugutan sa pagkatao na kung saan doon mas nakikilala natin ang isa't isa, doon mas nakikilala yung
As a
kasama mo.
team.
As a team, ganon. May mga team building din naman na ayaw na ng mga ganong kwento.
Correct.
Maglaro na lang tayo.
Fun.
Fun na lang. Inuman is a team building.
That's what they do.
Parang ganon. Depende naman yan. Depende
that's
naman. And sometimes we are hard also for, tawag nito, yung mga inspiring topics. Halimbawa, we would like to invite you
Sa
for...
schools,
Yeah.
we do that.
parang-
Inspirational
bukod sa pagiging
message.
keynote speaker,
Keynote.
halimbawa, dito sa amin, in our municipality, it seems so normal kasi nasa konseho man tayo, and especially that I am the committee chair on education. So, ang daming nag-i-invite din to me as a guest speaker. Aside from that, yung kinukuha kang speaker for a company na nagkakandak ng kanilang anniversary, talk about the value of time.
Time management.
Para mga ganon. Talk about self-management. Na hindi na in a form of team building. Parang presentation lang. Ganon.
You know what, Sir Ketch? I'd commend you to me, if from the eyes of the bird's eye view, I think you're living your the purpose of your energy ang tawag ni, your life.
So touching naman.
Yeah,
Chay.
I think you are spreading your energy to the events, to the hosting, to the munisipyo. I was like, you are, I think you're living the, natatouch ako. You're living the, oh my God.
Living the life.
Yeah, living the energy. You're living the purpose. I think, gradually, you were, saan ba ako? Talking lang.
Maybe kasi, Chay, ang dami rin nagtatanong. Kahit ako, naitanong ko rin sa sarili ko, where is this hosting leading me?
That's right.
Saan ba talaga ako dapat mag-MC na lang ba ako habang buhay? Ganyan. Kasi,
Where would this
in this industry, in this entertainment industry here in our region, we know that I will not last a lifetime.
Correct.
Darating din tayo sa may mga wannabes na mga host.
time
may
din
mga-
nila.
Oo, na ipapasa rin natin sa kanila ang corona.
That's right.
So, yun. So, kailangan, ako naman, dapat may paglalagyan.
The legacy of the Fab host.
So, yun. I am so much thankful that na ipasok din tayo dito sa,
Yes.
the politika. And extending public service in which nagamit ko talaga yung public speaking ko
Your
sa
gifts.
the gift in hosting na nagagamit natin dito.
That's
And I am
right.
so much thankful for that na hindi ko kailangan ipagdamot.
That's right.
So that's why I would like also to, call those wannabes, those dreaming of becoming a host, if you need trainings, if you need tips, pwede naman tayong
can-
kontakin, di ba?
we can,
Oo.
tawag ito? Do a seminar.
No, we can share it to them.
We can share, that's right.
Kasi hindi tayo habang buhay dito.
Right.
Yeah.
I am so honored to be,
Wow.
anong tawag dito? Having a dialogue with the amazing Sir Ketch. Thank you so much for being with us sa 8 Storya, and your story will go a long way and this will go viral.
Wow.
So, would you want to invite the entire 8 Storya people, audiences, promote your Ketch events, team
Yeah,
building,
yeah.
your MC?
Okay.
So guys, ladies and gentlemen, 8 Storya.
Hello mga ka-8 Storya. I am so much honored and thankful for choosing me to be part of this platform.
Yes.
It was indeed unexpected na makakasama ako dito. And syempre, unang-una sasabihin ko is to follow 8 Storya. Ang dami pa nating pagkikwentuhan. Ang dami pa nating matututunan dahil naniniwala ako na sa bawat kwento, may bago tayong natututunan. Sa bawat kwento, may inspirasyon tayong nakukuha. So that's also part of my advocacy of being a fab host, of being a host in the event industry, in this entertainment, live entertainment also. Maraming mga kwento, maraming mga inspiration na nakukuha natin. So, sa takbo ng buhay ko as an MC, ang dami ko na rin natutunan that I would like to share it with you. So, just follow me also, #FabHostSketch, and also in my FB account, Barante Sketch is my FB name. Just follow it. And you can witness me all those events that I am engaging with. And also, Ketch Event Management and Team Building for those companies that you need my expertise. I am most willing and humbled to give you my service. So that's Chai. I am so much honored and so thankful. And of course, the whole team of 8 Storya, thank you, the whole production. Maraming salamat. Kayo pa talaga ang pumunta dito. Oh my God. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you,
So
Sir
mga
Ketch.
ka-8 Storya, abangan natin. Always, abangan din natin ang ating mga events para marami pa tayong mga matutunan, marami pa tayong mga inspirasyon na makukuha.
8 Storya would like to thank our very first sponsor, Smile Solutions Dental Clinic, and to Marapao family. Thank you so much for believing in what we do here in 8 Storya. Thank you so much.